Hi guys, it's me, Cynthia again. So right now I just did this makeup tutorial in pictures. I took inspiration in several stuff. I've got some black goo drips going on in my forehead. I've got a draggy-ish kind of thing going on my eyes with some glitter and a purple eyeshadow cut crease and a dark wine kind of lip. And I also did some contouring, which I need to perfect because I'm not very good at contouring. And then I did this thing with the neck. I did this thing. And how I did it, I just mixed up foundation, a very light foundation with a black, very black pigment or powder, whatever you want to call it. And that pretty much works if you're wanting to use something for your face to cover your whole face in black. You can also use foundation and eyeshadow powder. So yes, I'll be leaving the link below for the picture tutorial for this. So yeah, give a thumbs up to this video if you want to keep on going and watching on more of the tutorials that I have. And yeah, hope you like it.